Alright, today we're going to look at exponential growth and decay. If a base is greater than 1, b is greater than 1, then the exponential growth represents, the exponential equation represents exponential growth. If the base is between 0 and 1, then the exponential equation represents exponential decay. If the growth or decay factor is written as a percent converted to a decimal. For example, 5% is the same thing as 0.05, 20% is the same thing as 0.20. Now, when you're dealing with percentages and stuff, exponential growth will be y equals a parentheses 1 plus r, which is your factor or your rate, and a is your start. A is your start. T is your time. Alright, and this equation is the same as a normal exponential, except you have percentages of growth and decay. Decay, you're going to subtract r, and growth, you're going to add r. And your normal equation is y equals ab raised to the x. And y'all already know this factor here. It's the normal one that we've been using. Except in this case, b is going to change because of the percentages. Alright, steps. Determine whether the situation represents growth or decay. If it's increasing or decreasing. Use cues to identify the knowns or unknowns. There's things that they give you and things that they don't give you. Convert the percent to a decimal. Make sure you convert it to a decimal. And that's how you do it up here. Substitute the known values in for the appropriate variables. Solve for the missing variable. Alright, county is increasing by 12% each month. The current zombie population, the zombie population of Paulding County is increasing by 12% each month. The current zombie population is 11,000. How many zombies will there be in 4 months? So we know it's increasing by 12%, so that tells me that it is growth. Alright, things that we know. We know it's increasing by 12%, so our growth factor here is 12%, which I convert it to a decimal is 0.12. We also know that A, our starting point, is 11,000 zombies. And we also know that they want to know the time amount is 4 months. Unknowns is the number of zombies in 4 months. The growth decay factor is 0.12 or 12%. Alright, our equation is y equals 11%. 1 plus 0.12 to the 4th power, and then I added those two, and I get our new equation. Put that in the calculator. 17,308.7 in 4 months. The human population of Paulding County is decreasing by 12% each month. So decreasing, we know it's decay. Alright. The current human population is 160,000. How many people will be there in 4 months? So we know the factor is 12%. 1 minus 0.12 is 0.888, which is our decay rate. Our start point of people is 160,000. The time is 4 months. Unknown, the number of people in 4 months. The growth or decay factor is 0.12, and our R is 0.88. Alright, equation. Y equals 160,000. Parentheses 1 minus 0.12. Notice we subtract because it's decay. And then I subtract them, I get 160,000 times 0.88 to the 4th power, and I get 95,951.26 people, which would just be 95,951, because it's people. Same thing here. Alright. Have your notes.